Hi. Today we're looking at a lavalier microphone set. It's a wireless USB-C rechargeable. There are two. Anyway, here's the listing. It's on Amazon.ca, so in Canadian it's $29.99. Of course, cheaper for you American folks. It's labeled Professional Wireless Lavalier Microphone, Dual Channel Recording, 15 hours working time, supports external microphone with mute function, 6-level volume adjustable with noise reduction, low latency, and I got it from the Rallian store. All right, let's have a look at this thing. It comes in a nice hard-sided case. It's fairly small. I have reasonably large hands, so you can see it from there. Wrist strap, so this is going to travel nicely. And there it is. I have already unboxed it. It came in a box. You've all seen boxes. So it came with a nice set of instructions. Wedoking, model M2, I believe it is. Really, really hard to read that with all the light. Okay, here we go. So, we have two transmitters that are the microphones and one receiver. So, this is for two different people if you want, or you can just use one person. And then this is going to connect to your camera or your phone or your computer or whatever. If you're doing a Zoom meeting, something like that, then this would probably look a lot more professional than using your AirPods or whatever. It comes with this cable. This is obviously for a cell phone. So it would connect down here. Comes with a charging cable, and this is really nice. There are 3 USB-C connectors, so you can charge all 3 of these off of one power brick. So less stuff to carry. And this, I believe, is simply for connecting to a camera. So the transmitters have a little clip on here, obviously, so you can clip it onto your lapel or your hat. I've seen people do that before. And the receiver also has a clip, and I believe this doubles as a hot shoe. So let's turn it on. Power button is here. There you go. It's turned on. It has no connection to a microphone yet. We'll turn on a microphone. There you go. So whichever microphone you turned on first is going to be microphone 1. If I turn on the second microphone, it becomes microphone 2. Each microphone, if you push the power button once, it goes into mute mode. So that's really nice. You don't have to fumble with your keyboard or whatever. And the other light is just going to tell you if the battery is low. So on the side here, we have volume up and down, and this isn't the volume for listening. This is the volume of the microphone. So if you find you're too loud or whatever, you can do that. And these are for external microphones. So each one will have that with the external mic. The transmitter, this plug here, can connect to your phone or your computer, and this can connect to a headphone so you can monitor what's going into your computer and you can make sure that you're comfortable with the sound volumes. It also has a plus and minus, and they all have USB-C, and I have no idea what happened if I push that once. Nothing. Okay. Obviously, these guys have an internal microphone underneath these little fuzzy caps, and these are removable. But these are good for outside when you're in the wind. So we're going to set the power the charging cable aside. I'm not going to be using a cell phone. I am going to be using a cell phone. I'm not going to be using a camera. So I'm going to take this cable that has 3 connectors on one end and 4 on the other. I'm going to plug it into here. I'm going to move this aside for now. I'll bring in my cell phone. Okay. My cell phone has a microphone, headphone connector. And there you go. We are ready to capture audio. So of course you could use YouTube Studio, you could use whatever video recording app. I'm just going to use an audio recording app because this is audio only. So I'm going to start recording. Testing 1 2, testing 1 2. There's a second microphone now. Testing in the second microphone, testing 1 2. So I will copy that audio file and I will paste it into here so you can hear what it actually sounds like, presuming you've got decent speakers. But I've played it myself and the sound quality is really quite impressive. I'm shocked actually for something that was $30 Canadian. Very impressive. Okay, I'm going to pause now and I'll come back and I will play you the audio file, not through my cell phone speaker, but actually I'm going to paste it into the video. So I'm going to pause now. Okay, so rather than me trying to play back my cell phone over I've just plugged in the transmitter to my computer. So you're hearing me talking through this microphone now. I'll aim it at my face. I am talking through this microphone. I'm going to mute it. That was it muted. I can raise and lower the volumes. I can lower the volumes. Of course, I don't really feel what's going on there. Yeah, so that's it. These are really cool, guys. I'm super impressed by them.